To record a video using the Loom extension, all you have to do is open the Loom extension, select your option of screen and cam, screen only, or the webcam only, and then make sure your audio is working. And then since I'm going to be on screen only, all I have to do is hit start recording. It will give me a countdown. I can, of course, get rid of my picture. I can resize it. And I get these buttons along with my picture. If I had my webcam on, you would see me talking. But from here, I can cancel my recording, pause my recording, or I can click finish recording. This will stop the video, and then it will take me to my library where the video is being stored. Here you also have a hide menu button as well. But that is how you can start recording. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my recording. And as I said, it brings me to where the video has been downloaded. We'll talk about this page in another video.